Hello everyone, it has been quite long time since I released my last video. I hope everyone is fine. Happy New Year. Today's video is how to fix DNS error. This process involves an easy to do a manual reconfiguration of the DNS address. This is done by accessing the Network Sharing Center, the button of which is found at the bottom right of the toolbar. Right-click on the network icon in the right of the Windows toolbar. Select Open Network and Sharing Center. Once the network window opens, right-click on your network connection and select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the panel that opens, under the Networking tab, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, followed by the Properties button. Put the value 8 in the preferred DNS server and the value 8.8.4.4 in the alternate DNS server sections respectively. When you're done, click OK. Refresh your browser and try accessing the website again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you found my videos useful. Happy New Year, watch out for more videos.